What is up, YouTube? What is good? We are back. We are back again with another shoe review. And Happy New Year's to those. We are in a brand new year already. It's 2026, and this will be my first review of 2026. And mind you, this is a pair from last year. It was the pair that I was talking about. If you watched my last review on the top 5 SBs of 2025, I talked about it in that video that I just picked these up on sale. So it took me long enough to pull the trigger on these. They were on sale. I did grab them on sale on CCS. Oh shit, Mike. Anyways, god damn. Sorry about that, technical difficulties. But anyways, like I was saying, I did pick these up on sale from CCS. Online, they had I think it was like 30% off, a little bit more. What's crazy is that they ended up dropping the price a little bit more even after I bought these. So I bought these for like, I think these were like 103 plus tax and shipping. No, the shipping was free, but plus tax. And then the day after, they dropped down to like 80. I think it was $89. So the sale is still ongoing right now. And also, I did also pick up another pair of the Pro B Sequoias. Those were also on sale for like 70 something bucks. So I decided to pull the trigger. Those prices were too good to pass up. So like every video with the title, you should already know what these shoes are. But if you look at the tag here on the box, it is light liquid lime, wolf gray, and black. And these are, let's see, what does it say? It says Nike SB Dunk Low Pro PRM. I'm not really sure what PRM is. What does that stand for? But anyways, it's like, you know, it's regular GR purple box, Nike SB box. And then it does have the standard white and green wood grain paper. And boom, there is the shoe, the Vertigo Mountain. So I pull it out, pull the other one out. And of course, just like every SB, Nike SB sticker. There's nothing really fancy in the box here. It's just a standard box. Like that. So these are the Vertigo Mountain. So I did talk about these on my top 5 videos. I ended up throwing these on my, I guess you could say, top 10 list. These I did mention in my honorables mention list. So you know, these were a pair that I kind of slept on. Kind of like when I first seen them, I didn't really want them, didn't really attempt to go for them. And I mean, I never really got a release date on this shoe. Excuse me. But there wasn't, from what I remember, I don't really remember seeing a release date on this shoe. So it was kind of just ended up dropping at skate shops from what I remember, and they ended up sitting at a lot of places that I've seen. I know in the mall locally to me, I first seen these in hand, and I was like, you know, these aren't that bad. You know, kind of seen them in hand and stuff. But let me actually pull the insoles out, because there is a bunch of little details on these 2 pairs, which is kind of cool. Good little details, which, you know, I'm always a fan of. Pull the insoles out. So yeah, I think these have been on a lot of people's lists on like one of the most kind of like slept on pairs of 2025, I think. Put that there. So let me first go over most of the shoe here. Of course, it's the shoe is full suede with just the leather swooshes here, which is a silver leather Nike swoosh. But the rest of the shoe is that full like a little bit of a hairy suede, a little rough suede. You also have black suede back here, and it has like a pinkish kind of infrared almost color in the back there. You have the regular Nike SB, black in that lime color. You have those lime laces, tongue. The whole inside of the shoe is that light lime. And on the tongue, it does have that mountain bike, and it says mountains on the back there. So this is the right shoe. And on the left, it says Vertigo. And let's see, I don't think there's anything on the back. No, there's nothing on the back of that. It just says Vertigo. So if you aren't familiar, these are kind of like a tribute to a popular mountain biking trail in Southern California, I guess, in the Vertigo Mountains, from what I was seeing. And yeah, it's I guess pretty popular with a lot of the guys that design these. And honestly, I forgot. You don't quote me on that. I might be wrong, but I just know that this shoe specifically was made after a bike, and the bike color the frame of the color of the bike, or the color of the frame of the bike, sorry, was this light lime color. So that's where this color comes from. And then of course you have that gum midsole, and then you have that black regular SB Dunk sole, and that light lime Phylon there, foam Phylon insert, and it is in that same light lime color. And let me kind of show you the insoles, because the insoles are kind of cool. So that is the shoe there. And on the insoles, you can kind of see it goes over those details again of it's showing here, like, I guess there's a specific radio tower on that trail that kind of like is a landmark to a lot of the mountain bikers there. From what I heard, there's a little mountain bike dude, just going down the mountain, smashing. You can see like little mountain bike wheel there on the mountain. It's pretty cool. I like these insoles, cool little details. And then on the back, I did notice it has those little pistachios on the air zoom unit there. And I looked up that picture because at first I was like, what the hell is that? But I ended up figuring out those are pistachios. So I don't know, I guess that could be pistachio color, signifying the color of the shoe, I guess. I don't know. But tell me, what are you thinking on this pair? Did you pick these up? I mean, honestly, for $100, you can't really beat it. You never know. This shoe is probably gonna go up in price in the future. That's usually what happens to a lot of Nike SB Dunks that people end up sleeping on. They end up going for cheap, sitting, and then all of a sudden they just kind of shoot up in price and are like a few $100s down the line. But I mean, not saying that this pair is gonna do that, but why not? Good price, good shoe. It's SB. I like it. It's a little crazy of a color, but I mean, it's different. I like different stuff. Sometimes, like they say, you gotta let the shoes speak for themselves. But yeah, what are you guys thinking on this pair? I think it's pretty good shoe for the price, man. Like I say, it does have that thick tongue too, which is pretty nice, what a lot of people like. But yeah, tell me what you guys are thinking on this pair. I will be doing another review as well on the Sequoia Pro Bs that they were supposed to be shipped today, but of course they're not going to come today. It's already too late. But I'm going to be doing a review on those since I got those for so cheap. Might as well do a review, and then I will be doing a review on the latest SBs that dropped, which were the Baroque Brown Adobe color. I ended up just pulling the trigger and just ordering them off stock because I just couldn't find those anywhere. Like, they've been selling out at every single skate shop that's been dropping them. They've been selling out. and it's like I can't really get a hold of them, and I don't think any of my local skate shops are getting them or have got them, because they haven't said anything about them. And from what I am understanding, they're set to be released in spring, so I might as well just kind of bite the bullet now, pay a little bit over for what they're retailing, and you know, be able to get a review out and get a video out for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Because I want to keep making these videos 2026. You know, I appreciate everyone that's been supporting, you know, you guys have been helping me grow, so I just want to keep that momentum going. But again, what is your thoughts on the Nike SB Vertigo Mountains? Did you guys scoop? Would you scoop? Is it an ugly pair, fire pair, cop it, drop it? I mean, I've seen a lot of people scooping them up since they were on sale. I kind of posted them up on a Facebook group, and some guys were like, hell yeah, I scooped up a couple pairs, you know. But yeah, anyways, let's keep this one short, not too long, not too crazy. But throw it down in the comments, let me know what you think on that pair, Vertigo Mountains. Anyways, I appreciate you watching. Happy New Year's to those, and be on the lookout for the next video. I will see you later. Peace.